Today, we explore how AI chatbots transform businesses with efficient, round the clock support. Discover how these smart tools ease workloads and boost customer satisfaction for enterprises everywhere, starting right now. Businesses face repetitive queries that drain time and energy. Constant demand for answers overwhelms even the most organized teams seriously. Imagine a friendly AI chatbot instantly handling multiple inquiries, easing stress and brightening customer experiences. Chatbots deliver rapid, around the clock responses, boost sales conversions, reduce workload, and create a more satisfying customer experience with proven efficiency. Plan your chatbot by defining its purpose and audience. Set up a Python environment with essential libraries. Design an engaging conversation flow. Build the chatbot, integrate AI language elements, test, and finally deploy on your website or preferred messaging platform. A local store owner added a chatbot and saw improved customer interactions, freeing valuable time to focus on innovation quickly. Try an AI chatbot in your business, like subscribe and explore more customer support tips. In summary, AI chatbots transform support. Think